In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Great Notion support services. By the end, you'll confidently find Notion through Google, sign into your workspace, open the gift icon for promotions and benefits, and start the upgrade flow with clarity. I'll keep things simple while pointing out what to look for so you avoid common snags. Begin by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Notion. From the results, choose the official Notion site. You'll know you're in the right place when the address shows notion.com and you see the familiar Notion branding. If you spot several results, look for the secure padlock in the address bar and avoid anything that doesn't clearly indicate the official domain. Once you're on the Notion homepage, select Login. This is typically in the top right corner on desktop. Use your usual sign-in method, whether that's email, a single sign-on provider, or another option you've set up. After you're in, make sure you're viewing the correct workspace, especially if you belong to more than one. You can switch workspaces from the sidebar or the account menu. If a page seems slow or doesn't load properly, a quick refresh or trying an incognito window can help. Now that you're inside Notion, look for a small gift icon. You'll generally find it in the sidebar or near the top navigation. Go ahead and click it. This area often highlights perks like credits, promotions, and helpful links tied to upgrades or special offers. It's a convenient place to see opportunities that can enhance your account without hunting through multiple menus. If you don't see the icon at first, try expanding the window or checking for hidden items in the sidebar. Updating to the latest app version can also make it appear if you're using the desktop app. Next, choose Upgrade. This will open Notion's plan details so you can review what's included at each level. Take a moment to compare features, such as advanced permissions, admin tools, and collaboration capabilities. Confirm that you're upgrading the correct workspace and note the billing cadence you prefer. You'll typically be shown a clear summary before anything is finalized, so you can back out or adjust as needed. This is also where you can see how higher tier plans may include enhanced support responsiveness, which is useful for growing teams. And that's it. You used Google to find Notion, logged in securely, opened the gift icon to surface relevant benefits, and selected Upgrade to review plan options. Take your time with the plan details and proceed only when you're fully comfortable. Thanks for watching, and great job following along.